Core 2, due 2013, question 3, part B. In part A, we used the binomial expansion to find that this expression was the same as 16 plus 12x to the minus 4. It's a hence, so we should be using this in part B. So in B part 1, our first step is to rewrite this integral by replacing this long expression with 16 plus 12x to the negative 4. Okay. Then all we're going to do is integrate, remembering that numbers integrate to that number times x, that's 16x. And then with the other term, we need to increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power. You would then be expected to simplify that, so that's 16x. We've got 12 divided by negative 3, it's going to be negative 4x to the negative 3. Yeah, no limits, so we should have a constant there. Okay, in part 2, this is once again a hence. Okay, so we will be expected to use our answer that we've just found. This also means that you do have to show some working, you can't just put that into your calculator. So now we've got exactly the same question as part 1, but with some limits. We've already worked out in part 1 what the integral of 16 plus 12x to the minus 4 is. So all we need to do now is take our expression, where there'll be no constant term, and put our limits in. As I said, you do need to show some working. So we need to substitute in the 2. And then subtract whatever we get from substituting in the 1. So that's 16 times 1 minus 4 times 1 to the power of negative 3. Obviously 1 to the power of anything is 1. So putting all our terms together, we can work that out in our calculators. So the first bracket comes to 31.5. The second bracket comes to 12. So subtracting, that gives us a final answer of 19.5. You must show your working.